In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group rows in Excel effectively. This skill is incredibly useful for managing large data sets and viewing only the data you need. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only understand how to group rows manually and automatically, but you'll also be able to use these features to streamline your workflow. Let's start with method 1, which is manual grouping using the outline feature. The first step is to select the rows you want to group together. To do this, click on the row headers and hold down the Shift key to select a range of rows. This action forms the basis for grouping and helps ensure that the data you want to segment is precisely selected. Now, navigate to the ribbon and click on the Data tab. Within this tab, you'll find a section labeled Outline. This is your toolkit for managing groups. Click on the Group button within this section. You'll then need to specify that you want to group rows, which ensures that the program knows how to organize your selection. After hitting OK, you'll notice a bracket line appear along the left-hand side of your spreadsheet. This line is part of the grouping structure and is accompanied by minus and plus buttons. These buttons allow you to easily collapse or expand your groups, giving you control over what data you view at any given time. If you're dealing with a complex spreadsheet and want to create multiple levels of classifications, nested grouping is your friend. Simply repeat the grouping steps for subsets of the already grouped rows. As a result, this creates multiple outline levels, which can significantly enhance your data navigation experience. For a quicker approach, you might prefer shortcuts. If you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts, you can use Alt plus Shift plus right arrow to group your selected rows without having to navigate through the ribbon. To ungroup, just use Alt plus Shift plus left arrow. These shortcuts can be real time savers and make your workflow even more efficient. Next, we'll look at method 2, automatic grouping, also known as auto outline. This method requires that your dataset have inherent structure, such as summary or subtotal rows, and it must not contain any blank rows or columns. With these conditions met, simply click any cell within your data range to begin. Once again, head to the Data tab, go to the Outline section, but this time, click the arrow beneath the Group button and select Auto Outline. What Excel does next is pretty neat. It automatically analyzes your data, detects the structure, and creates collapsible sections for you. This automation can save you a lot of time and effort, especially with more complex data sets. By mastering both manual and automatic grouping methods, you'll be well equipped to handle large amounts of data in Excel with much greater efficiency and ease. Thank you for watching, and I hope these techniques make your spreadsheet management smoother and more effective.